Hi friends, welcome to Lucas Street Cottage. Today we're gonna find out how much a bucket of bunnies weighs. Let's go! So my bunnies were not supposed to get pregnant. I had read that they have to be about 5 months old to get pregnant, and I really wanted them to be about closer to 8 months old before they got pregnant. So I went through all the trouble of creating this secondary hutch to put Quinn in so he couldn't impregnate the girls. I got Flower to keep Quinn company in the months preceding their great mating time, and turns out that I was too late. So here we are. We have 1.5-week-old bunnies, and Jill is going to help me weigh them. The scale is zeroed out, right? Yes. Start putting bunnies in the bucket. Show me the bunnies when you pick them up. Oh my gosh, they're so bouncy. Oh, cute bunnies. Oh crap. Oh my gosh.
It'll be fine.
Maybe this isn't a great system. Oh, they're so strong. Oh, look at that cute one. He's brown and white. Oh my gosh. Be careful. Maybe we need a bigger bucket. There's 9 of them. Look at that gray and white one. So cute. Calm down, bunnies. There, I think they're better now that they have friends in there. Show me that one. Oh, look, he's got the little half-colored face. So cute. Good bunnies. That's 4. Oh, they're like going to sleep. They're so cute.
It's like cuddled up.
Oh. They're so happy. Oh, look at
Oh,
him.
look at it. It's like cuddled up.
He's so cute. In the bucket with your brothers and
This
sisters.
one's lonely.
Have you been counting? How many are there? There's supposed to be 9.
I have no idea.
Okay. Oh, there's
3 more.
there's some over there. Look, that one has little half face too.
Oh, its little ears are up.
They're so cute. Oh, this one's so pretty. I like that one. Hi, baby bunny. Oh, tiny toes. Look at those beans. Nice bunnies. Is that all of them?
There's one more.
One more. I think that's about 9. Oh, that one's pretty too. It's so dark. Okay. The grand total, this should be 9 bunnies. Whoa. We'll do a good count when we put them back. Is, do units. Let's see. We don't want, well, it's 1,200 grams. 2.6 pounds.
2.7.
2.7? What's that? Pounds and ounces. 2 pounds, 10 ounces. There, 42 ounces of bunny. So if you divide 42 by 9, I don't know how to do the math. Do you want to put them back and we'll count them and make sure we have 9?
Yeah.
Let's try to dig down to the bottom.
1. Should I put them all in the same pile?
It's up to you. They can split themselves up. Right? They all want to be at the bottom. That one's digging too. His little bum sticking up.
Oh, yeah. Okay, 2. I'll put this one over here so it's not alone.
Yeah, they seem happier when they're with their friends. Oh my gosh, the way they just burrow down cracks me up.
3.
3. They're like, aww.
4.
Look at them. They're like, what are we doing? What are we doing?
5. 6.
Oh, that brown and white one is so cute.
7.
Look at this guy's like upside down. He's like, I gotta get down to the bottom.
8. 9. There's 9. Hey.
There's still 9.
They like try to squiggle out of my arms.
Right? There they are. They gotta find the little spots, snuggle in with the brothers and sisters.
Oh, look.
Oh, cute bunny. I like that one. We're not keeping any of them. Not a one. No, it's fine. It's warm enough in there. It's like 70 degrees today. They're
They
fine.
like being squished.
Well, they do like being squished. That's true. And Mama Bunny is back here just chilling. Hey, you doing good? She's like, yeah, you can take care of them for a while. That works for me. Oh, they're all snuggled in again. Well, that's our baby bunny check-in for the day. Thanks for joining us. You can subscribe right there, watch more bunny videos right there. We'll see you next time. Bye.